Hi everyone, welcome to Scrapbook.com, here with Tonic Studios USA, and today I have for you the new Tonic Studios magazine with huge amounts of value in it, over a $70 value. We've got embossing folders, dies, papers, all sorts of things in here for you, and it's only $19.99. So let's dive in. I'm going to show you all the fabulous things you get inside this magazine, plus a ton of inspiration as well. It comes in this fab box as well, so it's all nicely contained, and you could store it in here as well. So I'm going to snip that seal on here. There's also a competition inside, and you can see there's a box inside a box. So the first thing you're going to find are these lovely tonic dies in here as well. So this is the Celestial die set. There's 13 metal dies, and if I turn this over, you're going to see all the wonderful dies that are in here. So you have these optional backgrounds, and you can mix and match as with all tonic dies. Let me pop this little star off so that we can get inside and I can show you all the different layers that are in here. If you want to pop these off, the best way is to get your scissors in there and they'll pop straight off for you. So I'm going to slide this out. And so this is what you have inside. So you have 4 different corner inserts that you can either use all 4 at once, or you can just rotate them around and die cut in. You have 4 different edging options. So we have a straight option, we have a stitched option, we have a more angular option, and then we have a scalloped option up here as well. And then you have all of your inserts as well. So these layer in. So you have your large here, then you have your next size in that has some stitched dotted details. Then you have another smaller one, another smaller one, and another smaller one. So huge amounts of dies in this set for you as well. And you can see on the front cover all of those different options. So you really can use it for absolutely any occasion as well. This is kind of maybe more of a Halloween. You could use this as a sunburst. You've got the florals for spring. You've got scrolls. This would be really pretty for any time of year. And of course you could make it Christmassy as well. So there's some more things in there for you. Again, I'm going to slip that next piece again so we can get into that next layer. So that's a Scrapbook.com bonus that you have in your die set there. So let's go into the next one again. And we're going to show you the next pieces. So next up, you have another special die set in there. So you have 4 more corners. You have another wonderful star in there, and then you have a star. And of course, these are all separate dies. So you have 6 more dies in here as well in this winter star die set, all steel dies in here. Look how beautiful they are. Lots and lots of details in there. And then you can see here, I'm going to bring this a little bit closer for you, how you can cut these all in different ways as well. So there's some more dies in there. And then you have another package in here with some more bonuses. So you have this gorgeous embossing folder with those stars. And these stars all layer perfectly with all these die cuts you have as well. So you have that lovely embossing folder that you could ink up, or you could emboss and then highlight with things. You could emboss some metal in here, all sorts of fun things you could do with that. And then on top of that, you also have this stamp set. So here you have some, you've got a snowflake, you've got more stars, you have a flower border that coordinates perfectly. This says reach for the stars, you have happy birthday in script, thank you, and winter wishes. And then this one down here is a starburst, and it says shine in here. And I'm also not done. You have another bonus in here as well. You have a whole book of papers. Let me turn it the other way up. So we have home on here. We have on this side, we have tons and tons of sentiments that you can either punch out or die cut out, fussy cut, however you would like. You could pop these into your scan and cut as well. And then we have pattern papers, we have borders, we have these that you can die cut with those wonderful dies that are in your kit as well. You have even more sentiments, more pattern papers. We have some more new homes, florals and stripes. So you can really see how many things you could make using this kit. And we've done things for all occasions as well. So it's not just Christmas. You've got new home, you've got birthday, you can do masculine, feminine, all of those things, and all in this beautiful, really kind of on-trend color range with like the sage and the light pink. You've kind of got this beautiful gold color and things in there. And then on top of that, you have the magazine full of inspiration as well. So if we have a quick kind of look through, I'll highlight a few things. So in the front, it tells you everything that is inside of your magazine. Again, it goes through everything that's in there that I've talked through. It doesn't mention that extra bonus that you get through Scrapbook.com. It does tell you about some free gifts that you can claim. There's a giveaway inside of here. I am going to tell you there's a day in the life of Paola, who's the lovely lady who does her chanda for us in England. There's some new dyes that are coming. And then one other thing I'm going to show you is some projects that we created as well for the magazine. So there was a little like happy new home gift. There was we cut out one of the gingerbread houses and created using those Home Sweet Home, the tonic papers and that star on top. And then we used the embossing folder and we inked it up here. And again, we used that happy new home and that wonderful star die cut. So this was my little inspiration for you. And my theme was new home gifts. And then you could fill this gingerbread house with some little goodies and things as well. So that is the Tonic magazine this time. As I mentioned, over $70 of value. Link is in that video description below, so make sure you click on that and you can go shopping at the Scrapbook.com store. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notifications of all those amazing Scrapbook.com videos, classes, and all that fab stuff that they have here on their YouTube channel. Do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed having a look at the Tonic Studios new magazine. I'll see you again very soon. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye.